Let's unbox the MSI Ventus 2X OC Plus 16GB version of the RTX 5060 Ti and take a look at its design and features. The box is quite small and there is nothing really special about it. Just some features pointed out over here. Metal backplate, Storm Force fans, and some specifications as well. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is a retail packaging. There is no film, just the box. No seals. This is always nice to see. Additional protection at the top for those rougher shipping conditions. And there is nothing in terms of accessories really. This is one of the most affordable versions of the 5060 Ti, so I wasn't expecting any kind of accessories or goodies in the box with it. It's just the quick start guide and some regulatory notices. The bag is sealed with a piece of tape. Wow, okay. There's quite a lot of protection that needs to be peeled. Let's do the back plate first. There is a pull tab over here. There are no LEDs. Plastic shroud. Metal backplate, as they promised. Very nice. The PCB is very short. Take a look at that. It ends right there. Hence the cutout over here, providing extra airflow. Power is delivered via a single 8-pin connector at the top over here, and we do get 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. These are the latest: DisplayPort 2.1 and HDMI 2.1. Nice. Up to 4 displays in total. The PCIe slot is the same as on any other RTX 50 GPU. Looks the same. Okay. And here is the back plate. We have the MSI logo over here and the GeForce logo up here. Oh, and there is another MSI logo over here on the side. So when your GPU is installed in the case, that logo is visible. The Ventus 2X is just under 230 millimeters long. It's 228 millimeters to be precise. And in terms of height, let's take a look. 128 or 27. Around there. So this is a very compact GPU, and it's a proper 2-slot design. Take a look at that. 2 slots exactly. The heatsink is quite simple, nothing fancy about it, just 2 heat pipes over there making contact with the GPU. Yeah. So we get 2 pipes going through here, and up top there is only 1 pipe piercing through the heatsink over here. I can see that memory modules are also cooled by the aluminum heat plate right there. They are making contact, so the memory is getting active cooling. VRMs are also getting a direct contact with the heatsink. Although this is not an advanced way to cool VRMs, it is still nice to see that they're getting some active cooling. Here is what the MSI Ventus 2X looks like as part of a PC build, although this case is a little bit too big for it. Check it out. This card is even shorter than a normal ATX motherboard. Take a look at that. It's shorter. Yeah, still, it looks okay. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Overall, it's an interesting small 5060 Ti. Looks okay. Nothing fancy, nothing special, but it's not ugly by any means. But what matters most is how it performs. Noise, temperature, all that jazz. I will test that over on my main channel, linked in the description below, in a full review of this GPU. And I'll also test it at various resolutions in the latest games. If you're interested in that, follow my main channel, linked below. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the MSI Ventus 2X version of the 5060 Ti so far? Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, that helps out a lot. And subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.